Hello everyone, I am Souvik Sen, Assistant Professor of Mollabhum Institute of Technology, Bishnupur, Bankura. Today, I am going to discuss about a topic that is various types of bonds in brick masonry work. Bonds in brickwork. Bonds in an arrangement of bricks in a course by which formation of continuous vertical joints both in the face and body of the wall can be prevented. Following are the main four types of bonds which are mostly used in brickwork. Number 1, header bond. Number 2, stretcher bond. Number 3, English bond. And number 4, Flemish bond. Header bond. Face of the brick showing breadth and height is known as header. In header bond, all the bricks are laid as headers on the faces of wall. This bond is used for making of curved surface of brickwork or for footing in foundation. These types of bond should never be used in straight work as it is very weak. This bond is not used for load bearing walls because of not transmitting pressure in the direction of wall. This bond is used when the thickness of the wall is equal to 1 brick. Stretcher bond. Longer face of the brick is known as stretcher. In this bond, all the bricks are laid as stretcher. This bond is used for half brick thick portions wall only. If the thickness of the wall is more than half brick, then this bond is not possible. This type of bond is used as partition wall, boundary walls and chimney. This bond also known as running bond. English bond. It is the bond which is most commonly used in brick masonry. It is considered to be strongest among all of the bricks bond. Alternative forces in this bond shows headers and stretchers. For breaking the vertical joints in the successive courses, it is essential to place a queen closure after the first header in each header course. All the headers of header course are centrally placed over stretcher course. Brick in the same course do not break joints with each other. That is, some of the joints in the same course are straight through the wide of the walls. Flemish bond. This bond of bricks, also known as Dutch bond, is created by laying alternating stretchers and headers in a single course. Every course consists of header and stretchers placed alternatively. For breaking vertical joints in successive courses, queen closures are inserted in alternative courses. Every header is centrally supported over a stretchers below it. It gives better appearance than the English bond. Broken brick bars are used in Flemish bond. Flemish bond is a bit difficult than English bond. Flemish bond may be subdivided into two categories. Number 1, single Flemish bond. This is a combination of English and Flemish bond. Facing of the wall is constructed with Flemish bond, but filling as well as backing is constructed in English bond. Number 2, double Flemish bond. In this bond, each course present the same appearance both in the front and back elevations. This bond gives better appearance than the English bond, but it is not so strong as the English bond. Thank you so much.